Unity. Once there was a farmer who had 4 sons. They were always quarreling with each other. The farmer tried hard to bring them to the right path, but they would never pay attention to his advice. He was very worried about their future. One day, he came across a plan. He called his sons and asked them to bring few sticks. When they brought the sticks, the farmer tied them in a bundle. He asked them to try their strength to break it. Each one tried to break the bundle but failed. Then the farmer untied the bundle and gave one stick each to break. Each of them was able to break it easily. The farmer said, "Now you understand. If you are united, nobody can get better of you. But if you keep quarreling, you will be broken one by one." Moral of the story: Unity is strength.